Hello, my name is Benjamin from Smoke Factory and we are here at the ISE 2025. I want to show you our 2 Hazer. You probably have seen it already on stage. 2-channel DMX with a fog output and a fan. So with this you have a very individual haze for your stages. It goes from very low output, 8% right now, up to 99, which is almost the output of a fog machine. So this is already for like very big stages. Like we have concert halls for up to 5,000 people which use one of these machines to fill the venue with haze. All fluids from our company are water-based, so you don't have any oily residues in your venue. Second channel is for the fan, and the machine also have a off mode to have a self-cleaning mode when you're finished with the job. Everything comes ready in the case with a 5-liter compartment for a live 5-liter canister. Put on the lid and you can carry it like a suitcase. Only 18 kilos and yeah, perfect for touring. For more information visit smoke-factory.de.